All right, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, all right, and turn your notification bell on, okay, so that you always get my videos, okay. So today, quickly, I'm gonna run you through 5 points, okay, that will help your channel grow, all right. And these are also 5 points that makes channels to struggle if neglected. I've been growing a lot of channels, running you through your channels, right, in some few minutes, right? But first, before going to that, the first, thing that will make your videos not to attract views, all right, or to do bad, okay, is when you focus on too much perfection, guys. The thing is, your first video cannot be 100% perfect. So when you focus on so much perfection, it prevents you from giving in your best. It prevents you from being so free. It kind of keeps you from, giving your best, right? So don't focus on too much perfection. Your first video cannot be perfect. That's just the truth, all right? So just do what you can. Most of the time people come online, they are just looking for this. Something they're looking for. It might not really even be the way you are dressing so heated, or it might not even be the way your background is, it might not be the way your presentation. They just want to get something. They're looking for something. If you can give them what they're looking for, they don't really care about the perfection and all that, right? So please make sure you don't kill yourself with perfection, right? And number two is irregular uploads, right? Irregular uploads. When the algorithm doesn't understand how you upload. For instance, you upload today, after 5 days, you upload again. After 1 week, you upload, inconsistent with your uploads. The algorithm prefers that you're uploading, if it is every day, keep it every day. If it is every 2 days, keep it every 2 days. If it is every Saturday, and if you could have a particular time for your uploads, it even helps your viewers to expect your videos by that time. All right. So, for instance, you're uploading every Sunday by 5 a.m. or by 5 p.m. Now, this applies mostly for small YouTubers that are just starting. When you grow, when your channel grows, okay. For instance, anytime I upload now, my viewers can watch, right? But that's on my other channel. This one is still growing, okay. But when you are just starting, you need to have a time that you are uploading and do what and keep to it. So number three, we are going to talks about what neglecting the thumbnail. Now, the thumbnail is like how will I put it now? Your thumbnail is like an attraction. It's what attracts people, all right, to your content. When people see your thumbnail, now it gives them an idea of what the video is about. People even see your thumbnail before the video title. All right, so the thumbnail must be very sharp. It must be bright. Okay, it must be. Don't use dull colors to make your thumbnail. Let your thumbnail be very sharp and bright. Okay, so that when people see it, they are captivated. It captures their attention. Okay, and so when you are doing thumbnail, you should also try to use the same words you are using for your video title, okay, in your thumbnail. Don't spend so much time, making a video and then you come and just squeeze out any thumbnail and drop it there. No, it will affect your channel growth. It will affect the views you will have. And your title, like I said, it should always go the same words. Like if you're talking about sport, okay, the best football player in the world, that thumbnail should also capture something about the best, all right? And the title of the video should also carry something about what the best. You understand? It links it together and makes the algorithm, find it easier to shoot your content to the right audience. Okay. The next thing we're going to talk about is you trying to appeal a lot of people. Now you cannot have one channel, all right, that is making videos on gaming, making videos on graphics, making videos on video editing, making videos on how to grow YouTube channel. You can't carry everybody along like that. Okay, all you need to do is to pick a particular niche and stick to it. Whatever niche you are posting videos about, stick to that niche. Okay, don't post videos. It makes the algorithm confused. Like it's trying to know the right audience to do what, to push your videos to. Okay, so it's very important that you find a particular niche and stick to it. If you are doing, believe me, whatever you are doing videos about, they will go viral. You don't have to do videos on everything. You don't have to carry everybody along for you to be able to grow views on YouTube. The most important thing that you are creating content that people are interested in. You are creating content that is meeting the need, okay? You can even go on YouTube and search, you search the keywords, things that people are looking for. You see it there. If you look at the search, if you check, you discover that there are particular things people are always searching about, people are looking for. Make videos on such, or you can even find the niche you are in. You now get another YouTuber that is doing very well, okay? And follow the YouTuber, all right? Check the YouTuber that is doing well in that niche. Check his video titles, what is making video about. Just do the same. Just follow from behind, and you discover that what your videos also gain so much attraction. All right. If you don't do this, guys, you might be making videos and they are too scattered. This one is on gaming, that one is on sport, graphics design, this one is on video editing, this one is on how to grow YouTube channel. At the end, the algorithm is confused. It doesn't know where to channel your content to. All right, guys. So if you're interested, if this content is making sense, why don't you hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on? All right, so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be notified. Lastly, is you ignoring your analytics. Guys, it can be boring. Okay, you might not understand what is in the analytics. Okay, you can see, if you go to analytics, you see a lot of things there, but believe me, it is very, very important for you to check your analytics. Now, when you go to analytics, the analytics will tell you, now you can go to analytics through the YouTube Studio, right? Once you download YouTube Studio, open it, okay, that's where you see the analytics of the analysis of your channel, all right? It will tell you where your views are coming from, the age range of people that are watching your videos the most. It will break it down, all the age ranges, okay? You know if it is the children that are watching your videos more, or it is teenagers, it is young people, it is adults, it is old people. It will tell you everything. It will tell you the cities, the countries that are watching your videos more. It will tell you the views. It will tell you everything, okay? Now, it will also tell you whether you are having new persons visiting your channel much more than what? Returning viewers. Now, if you are having new viewers much more than returning viewers, then it means, in fact, it's always like that. That's the truth. We always have, most of the times we have new viewers much more than returning viewers, but the gap shouldn't be. You should also have returning viewers. If you are seeing that the graph is showing returning viewers the graph is just almost flat, then new viewers is going up, coming down, it means something needs to be done. Why are people coming to my channel, watching my videos, and not coming back to watch them again? Something is wrong. Is it I don't like my content? Am I not giving them what they want? Are my videos not good? Is it too this and that? So you will check from the analytics. It will give you an idea of how your channel is doing, and it will help you know where to improve on. All right. So if you do this, guys, believe me, you are going to be getting much more views. And this is coming as a bonus, guys. Always remember to drop keywords in your description, okay? If you are uploading a video in the description, ensure you drop keywords. Those keywords, they help the algorithm to be able to link or link your videos to the right audience, to push your videos to the right audience, okay? Even after the title, you put a keyword there. It's very, very important. Don't just leave your description like that. Always put keywords inside. They will help your channel to do better. They will help your algorithm to push your videos to the right audience, guys. So if this content made sense, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, share the video. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video.